Hi everyone. In this video we will discuss that if you have to file your quarterly returns under MTD, then what records should you be keeping and how should you be filing. Now with MTD everything has to be digital, it cannot be paper. First we look at what records do you need to keep. Remember, for every penny coming into your business or money going out from your business, you must have some records. What's the crucial information that you should have is number one, the date when the money came in and the date when the money was spent. Number two, the amount, how much was it? How much did you receive and how much did you paid out? Three, the category. What was the type of income or the expense? So date, amount and category for every transaction. Now let's look at what does category means. These are probably the same headings that you've already used in your self-assessment tax return. If you're self-employed, your income category can be your sales, your fee, your taking, any money that you have earned is your income and it should be categorized accordingly. Now for expenses, the categories can be a bit more, like you've got your cost of sales, you've got wages to pay, you've got your vehicle expenses, you've got rent, you've got phone, you've got advertisement, professional fees and charges, bank charges, bad debts, whatever it is, it should be categorized accordingly. With the landlords, it's more simple. Landlords need to specify what expenses did they incur: insurance, repairs and maintenance, ground rent, mortgage interest, or any other certifications that they may have spent money on for the property. Now these are the categories HMRC would like you to include in your MTD return. Previously, you were just putting a lump sum amount in your tax return. Now HMRC wants you to give the breakdown. Now how do you keep these records? You've got a few options. Remember, your records have to be digital. So one of the options is you can use accounting softwares. These accounting softwares must be compatible with HMRC MTD so they can file these quarterly returns with HMRC on time. Number two, you can keep spreadsheets. You're still allowed for time being to use spreadsheets and you can categorize everything over there, and then you can use a software to export this data to HMRC. Although this spreadsheet or the bridging softwares are cheap and still available, but they are not the recommended options. What you cannot do is you cannot keep paper notebooks, paper cash books, or paper records of everything. HMRC needs everything to be digital because paper is no more MTD compliant. Now for retailers and small businesses like shops, they have a lot of sales, small amount sales on daily basis. They can still have their till report. They can still make daily reports that they can upload in the software or their MTD compliant bridging softwares or sheets. The nutshell is that every transaction needs to have a date, an amount and category. It all has to be digital, either in accounting software, spreadsheet, bridging software. No more paper records, and you'll be submitting summaries of this to HMRC every quarter plus at the end of the year. So if you are still not sure what needs to be done, or you need help choosing the right software and getting set up, get in touch with us and we'll make sure that we help you because we are here to help you. Thank you.